something magnificent. Staying connected. First, let us say how much we appreciate you. Your patience, your positivity, and your continued presence here with us are a constant source of encouragement. You are the reason this community has endured and grown stronger, and we are grateful to share this journey with you. This platform will remain open and continue to be your trusted source of information about all things related to OnePassive. As we continue to work through the remaining international matters, we will keep you updated right here with topics connected to OnePassive and its progress. At the same time, we want you to know something important. The details about how we move forward into our big, bold, beautiful, shared dream will not be posted here. That next chapter will unfold in a new way, a unique approach, designed especially for what's coming. When the time is right, you'll be the first to know. For now, please stay tuned. We have some wonderful surprises in store. Things we believe you will not only appreciate, but love. Thank you again for being here with us. Together, we're not just moving forward. We are preparing to step into something magnificent! John White and Bill Musk commentary. Those words of Mr. Ash Mufair was the beginning of the rumble. Although some might have been thinking that the Onews 12 was going to be resounding. Definition unmistakable. Emphatic, those words cut a path across our minds and hearts. What some may have thought is that Mr. Mufair was going to reveal the critical technology of what the corporate webinar, which will be in essence the most pertinent information to date in the coming global webinar, he will only talk about. As he said, applications, not specifics. The information is so top level that it will not be posted in the OES back office! That might be a head scratcher, but not for those who are aligned with Mr. Mufair's thinking that can't be revealed to everyone who is a founder. Mr. Mufair said that a person can't ruin something he doesn't know. So whatever private means that he will convey this new way of communication will reflect the significance of the information. It will be done in a very unique way. Something magnificent. Staying connected. Those two phrases are joined and can't be separated. Magnificent definition, impressively beautiful, elaborate, or extravagant. Connected, join, or link together. Having elements logically linked together. Those phrases using together were not written by Mr. Mufair to sound smart. He never makes a statement without carefully crafting them. In our opinion, Mr. Ash Mufair uses these phrases together because they perfectly capture the dual mission of his company by instructing or improving someone intellectually. In our opinion, Mr. Mufair will put a premium on education. Something magnificent speaks to the grand vision, creating exceptional, personalized digital experiences that feel unreal to the customer and drive magnificent results for the business! Staying connected is the practical, human-centered method to achieve it. It's about building and maintaining genuine, one-to-one connections between brands and their customers at every touch point. Together, they state that by staying connected with people, you can create something magnificent for them. Mr. Mufair is very appreciative of all the remarkable founders who have been by his side in his mission, which also has become our mission. That is another thing that separates Mr. Mufair from other CEOs of not only technology companies, but all companies. He is grateful, and we founders keep inspiring him and his technology teams to greater accomplishments. If anyone talks about what is happening with OnPassive and they didn't get it from Mr. Mufair, is seriously out of touch with reality. He will keep all of us updated with international matters pertaining to OnPassive. The last part of Onews 12 said it all. He said the details about how we move forward into our big, bold, beautiful share tree.